Hello, hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy from sweetstamper.com, and I have a quick unscheduled Facebook Live for you, mainly to introduce to you the August issue of Candy's Card Club. And this is going to be recorded and downloaded to YouTube so everybody can see what is in store for August. Now, Candy's Card Club is a monthly class by mail, and it includes a lot of goodies. And we make 8 cards, and within those 8 unique cards, there's a set of two fun folds. So let me show you what we're doing, and then I will show you the cards. So this month, well, for August, I am featuring Country Flowers. Now, this is a beautiful bundle that is available in the annual catalog, and the dies are we'll cut out all of these stamped images, and they're just a lot of fun to use. You also have some extra leaf and flower dies, and like these plant pots, flower pot, you can use those even without the stamping. So I highly recommend the bundle if you are part of Candy's Card Club, or even if you take a single month, you have the opportunity to add this on at cost. So let me show you what else comes. Well, this doesn't come with the kit, so let me show you what does come with the kit, and then we will get into the cards. So this month I'm using Country Flowers, and I'm actually pairing it with something that's not part of the suite. So I'm actually pairing it with the Two Market Designer Series paper. So with this card class by mail, you do get a half a pack of this lovely Designer Series paper. Although it goes with a different, well, it's designed, or I should say originally designed to go with a different stamp set. I love it with this Country Flowers. Hey, Kelly, I'm glad you're here with me. So these are the patterns. I love them, and we're going to use them in depth with the 8 cards this month. Now, you're also going to get 2 yards of this polka dot trim, and this is in our online exclusives section, and so this is the way you will get your ribbon. You're also going to get a set of these Transparent Dots is what they're called. I really love them. These are more of a lemon lime twist. These are Blackberry Bliss. These are Garden Green, and these are kind of a clear. They're actually unavailable right now, but they will be back in stock in about a week. And so you get a full package of those in the August Candy's Card Club package. You're also going to get 1 sheet of regular and 1 sheet of mini dimensional. So this is the kit you get with 8 envelopes and all the supplies cut and ready and prepped for you to make these 8 cards. So let me show you the cards and the way I do them. And they are 2 each of 4 designs, but they're individual and unique as well. So here is one design. You can see the differences. And then here is design number 2. Big differences, but they both have the 3 strips of designer paper. This one is, again, big differences, but the same basic layout. And then here is the fun fold that we're going to do for our final set of 2 cards. So all of this comes to you prepped and ready to go. All of these die cuts are done for you, except when you have to stamp and cut out. So this little teapot is done for you, this little pot, these leaves. But when you have to stamp and die cut, then you'll be given a piece of basic white cardstock with which to do that. Now, as always, you get all of the PDF tutorials with a supply list. You get all of the measurements, you get step-by-step instructions for all of this, and this it includes your first class shipping, and that is $42 if you're a Card Club member, and it is $46 if you are not. Now, if you are a Card Club member, it means you subscribe, and you subscribe through a PayPal button. You don't have to use PayPal to pay for it. PayPal is really just the administrator of the payments. And so you can use a debit card, you can use whatever credit card you like. And when you subscribe, you can unsubscribe at any time. But if you do stay 6 months in a row, you will get a really nice gift in the mail with your package. And I get a lot of good feedback from that. Typically, you get about a $25 product and goodie, gifty package. So that is Candy's Card Club for August. I hope that you will consider this. And like I said, there's perks if you subscribe. You can unsubscribe at any time, but if you don't feel ready to jump into a subscription, then you can just do a single month. I will have the links for purchase and subscription on here, and I thank you so much for your consideration. Take care, and God bless.